Welcome to Backstage Beauty. I'm James Demarco here at the Vitamin Shop in Voorhees, New Jersey. The Vitamin Shop is a franchise-owned vitamin store. My favorite vitamin supply nutrition to the body because what goes in comes out. Thus, we create beauty. So let's take a look at some of their amazing vitamins. So I'm here with Kate, one of the store managers, and tell me, multivitamins, we all need a good multi. We get the nutrients in food, but it's not always enough. Now, what do you suggest for someone at home for a great multi for men and women?
So if you want to fill in the gaps with your diet, one of the best things you can do is a whole food multi. So all your multivitamins are sourced from whole foods. So something like this, it's a raw whole food multivitamin. It's going to support, depending on if it's for men or women, digestive health, immune health, prostate health, bone support. We have lots of really good whole food multis over here too.
So a whole food multi then is a great vitamin. I use whole food. It's veggies, fruits, grains, and vitamins.
Yep. Also, you'll find enzymes and probiotics for digestion in many of them too.
So immunity is so important for our bodies, especially with the environment and stressors. Now, I am a proponent of oil of oregano and colloidal silver. What is a great suggestion for someone to use on a daily basis to strengthen their immune system during times of stress?
Something to use on a daily basis all year round, mushrooms is a great thing to add to your immune stack.
I've never tried mushrooms.
So they have all kinds of immune boosting properties. One of the best things that has anti-cancer properties as well.
So for antioxidants, as part of immunity, do you recommend or suggest green tea?
Green tea is great for the antioxidant properties that it has. It also helps prevent free radical damage, so in your skin, in your body, in your cells. But you also have resveratrol. All those antioxidants are great for keeping away free radicals, which break down everything.
So hair, skin, and nails are part of the beauty regimen. What do you suggest for someone at home to grow healthy nails, healthy hair, and rebuild that collagen in the skin?
Well, for collagen, you could take actual just collagen, whether it's a powder or a capsule.
And that works. You mix it with water.
Yep.
Or...
And it's virtually tasteless. You want to take it with a vitamin C because C helps it absorb, so you can either mix it in orange juice.
And what about hyaluronic acid? That's one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. Does that help in a vitamin form?
It does. So actually hyaluronic acid is found naturally in collagen.
Okay.
So I always just take collagen. You can get a higher concentration if you take it by itself. With the collagen, there's so many benefits. Not only does it help your skin, hair, and nails stay strong and grow, it also helps with skin hydration as well.
Amazing. So we are in the protein section now, and protein builds muscles. Protein, we have vegan protein, we have whey protein, and now we have collagen protein. So tell me the differences and what do you suggest for someone at home?
So basically your collagen protein is actually going to be like a protein with added collagen. So all of this is grass-fed, pasture-raised whey protein with collagen that's sourced from bovine, so cows.
And grass-fed is the best type of whey to go. It's organic, it's pure,
clean. Yep.
It's fresh. Okay. And this is plant protein.
Yep.
So there's pea protein, brown rice protein. They could be meal replacements. Can someone get their vitamins just from the shake?
Some of them. So you would need a meal replacement that would have a full spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Some protein shakes will just simply have protein. And then some that'll be like a meal will have your protein as well as vitamins and minerals to help replace a meal.
So if someone is building muscles and working out, recovery, pre-workout, post-workout, the plant might be a little too weak. They might need to go to like a whey protein.
If you want to have dairy in your diet, a whey protein would be your best bet.
But you could get away with the plant protein.
You could, yeah. If you had a blend of several different plants, like that, especially hemp, because hemp contains all your essential amino acids.
Okay, yeah, so here's hemp. So hemp would be a great post-workout drink.
Yep, an alternative to whey protein.
Okay, and then whey protein for a bodybuilder, they would go into Body Tech. That might be a great one that I've heard about.
Yep, and then this is an isolate. So isolates are processed to remove the lactose. So in turn, you have a little bit less sugar too. So you'll see they're like 0 grams of sugar as well. And then it's also a smaller peptide, so your body absorbs a little bit better than a typical just whey concentrate.
So isolate in whey will help absorb into the bloodstream better and quicker. Okay, so we are here at vitamin B and vitamin C. We're at a crossroads, and I love vitamin C and I love vitamin B. B's for energy and stress, C's for immunity. How many milligrams should someone take on a daily basis of vitamin C and vitamin B?
The recommended value is actually pretty low. If you're doing it for immune support, 500 is good.
Okay.
I think the RDA.
So if you're sick, you could probably take. When I'm sick, I take like 1,000 milligrams every few hours.
In the wintertime, I'll take 1,000 milligrams daily, but then in the summertime, I'll knock it down to 500 when, you know, it's not cold season.
And ester C, does ester C go into the bloodstream quicker, or is that a better form of vitamin C?
It's buffered, so it removes the acid.
So it's good for the stomach.
Yes.
And vitamin B, so vitamin B is for stress. There's B50 complex, B100. There's like B12, B5, B6. Is there a recommended dosage or suggested dosage for the day?
A 100 is great. You'll get a full B complex, 100 milligrams of each one. So B's will help support not only, you know, your energy, but also the nervous system.
So they're good for
and
anxiety.
Metabolism,
So
yeah.
it's good for anxiety and stress as well. Great. So I have my bag full of vitamins. I am ready to create more beauty because beauty comes from within. So let's start putting good things into our body and good nutrients. Start with vitamins and foods and whole foods, and come to the Vitamin Shop all over the United States. Check your local listings. Thanks for joining me at BacKStage Beauty. I'm James Demarco.